You've seen ChatGPT-5 write essays, answer questions, and even plan your day. But can it make an actual video game from scratch? Let's find out. And the best part is, you don't need to know a single thing about coding. Welcome to AIChief, where crazy AI experiments come to life. First, head over to chat.openai.com and switch to GPT-5. Once you're in, we're ready to start. Now just tell it exactly what you want. I'm going to make a maze rush game. Here's my prompt. Hit enter and let GPT-5 work its magic. In seconds, it writes the whole game for you. When it's done, you've got two options. You can run the code directly inside ChatGPT by clicking the little Edit and Run button, or you can save it to your computer to play anytime. To save it, highlight all the code, copy it, and paste it into Notepad. And in the Save As window, name it game.html. Set Save as typed to all files and click Save. Double-click the file, boom, the game's live in your browser. And here's my favorite part. If you want to tweak something, you don't need to start over. You can literally tell GPT-5, change the background to orange, or make the traps move faster, and it'll rewrite the code instantly. Copy the new code, replace the old one, and save. And your updated game is ready. And once you've done it once, you can make anything you want. For example, Brick Breaker. Want to create a more fun game, like his space shooter? Or this treasure hunt? If you want the exact prompts I use for these, drop a comment below, I'll share them. So yeah, GPT-5 can go from your idea to a full game in minutes. And the cooler your prompt, the cooler the game. By the way, if you want to stay ahead with the best AI tips, tools, and experiments, join my free newsletter at AIChief.com/AI newsletter. It's where I share stuff I don't post anywhere else. If you want me to put together a giant list of ready-to-use game prompts, let me know in the comments. And if you make something wild, tag me, I want to play it. Like and subscribe to AIChief for more ChatGPT-5 experiments. We've got some crazy builds coming. We will see you in the next one.